Want to use Instagram Blend? It's super easy, and I'll show you how in just a few steps. But first, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. All right, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap the messages icon at the top right of your home screen. Then, open a chat with the friend you want to create a blend with. Inside the chat, tap the blend icon at the top of the conversation. A new screen will appear. Tap Invite. Instagram will automatically send a blend invitation in your chat. Now your friend needs to accept the invitation before you can continue. Once they do, tap Go to Blend from the chat. You'll both see a personalized selection of reels based on your shared interests. If you love what you see, you can keep watching and sharing together. And if you ever want to create a new blend, just repeat the same steps. Now you and your friend can enjoy a custom Instagram Reels experience together.